Today we are going to apply custom themes in sketchware. For this tutorial I am using sketchware Pro 6.3.0 Fix 1. If you are using older versions you may face some problems. I don't know, I'm not sure, but it is better to use latest version. Okay, so first of all create a new project. Now let's add some widgets for demonstration to show how it will look like in these themes. So this is how normally our apps look like when we create them in Sketchware. And you have to download colors.xml and styles.xml from Jokhio sketch projects. Okay, once you download them they will be saved in your phone memory. Now go to Sketchware Pro, click on resources values, click this button, go to the folder where they are located and import colors.xml and styles.xml to your project. From three dots menu go to manifest application and here at first line type Android, second line type theme, and in the third line type add style/theme name, which theme you want to apply. I have typed royal blue here. If you notice, I actually do have a theme with that name. And you might be confused that why do I have a light and dark theme when Android have them by default. The thing is that when we apply default themes light and dark, oh okay, it looks like I have to enable app compat library to use that themes. Oh, there is a typo mistake. So let me type the correct spelling of the app compat light theme. See, I can't use default themes in Sketchware. I have to be careful which one to choose. It will work only if you remove the toolbar. My app still crashes on second activity because it still have a toolbar. That's why I created my own themes based on the app compact theme. Yes, they are based on the default themes. I have just configured them to be used in sketchware. So instead of using app compact themes, use Jokhio Light or Jokhio Dark theme in sketchware, so you don't need to worry about toolbar. So that's my light theme. Let's try our dark theme. What about creating your own theme? So go to styles.xml file and copy a style. Change the comment. Change theme name. Previous theme was based on dark theme and I want to create this new on the light theme. So I can change the parent here. And go to colors.xml file and copy a color palette. Change the comment. Change names of these colors. Now we need hexadecimal codes of these colors. So I will go to sketchware. And as I am creating a teal theme, so I will select teal colors. You can also pick up colors from Google, those colors which are not in sketchware, so you can search them on Google. But I am selecting teal color, so I will choose this. Remember the color code and type it here. Similarly, second color. Replace all of these color codes with appropriate colors. Now go back to styles.xml and change these color names to your newly created colors. Hooray, you are all done. Now go back to manifest and there change the theme name. Okay, you are all done. What about changing the theme at runtime? To be honest, in sketchware it is not a good idea to change the theme on runtime because you have to set the theme before calling the super method of onCreate. So first of all, we have a theme changer algorithm downloaded from Jokhio sketch projects. Download that mod block and import it to your project. And there you can see I have shared preferences. Make sure this path, in my case it is theme, it is same as you have created new shared preferences with this path. From here select your shared preferences component and here at add source directly type the name of your shared preferences. In these there are few keys. On clicking the buttons, I will set these keys in shared preferences. I'm using same shared preferences in both activities so I can access same values. Whenever the word which we set there in shared preferences matches, we are choosing that theme. And remember, we have to call that method before calling the super method of onCreate. So once I will run the app, it generates fresh code Then again I will open sketchware. Go to direct source code editor. My main activity at onCreate before super, I will call my block set theme, which actually sets the theme depending on my choice. So it wasn't difficult though, but the changes only take effect after restarting the activity, because you have to change the theme before calling the super method of onCreate. So I have these lines of codes which calls the launcher activity, means eventually it starts your app again, and before starting app, don't forget to finish your current activity. So after doing these things, I'm able to change the theme of my application from a button, but currently it is working on one activity, it is not working on other activity, because the thing is that you have to call that method in each and every activity before the super method. So let me add that block in the second activity. Run my application once. Then inject it before the super in both activities. So as long as you are using Android Studio or AIDE or Eclipse or any IDE which allows you complete control, you can use that. But in sketchware, more activities you have, more difficult it gets to edit source code directly. But after all, you can use these. I hope you learned something new. See you in next video. Hit the like button. And wait. One thing I forgot to tell you about, that sketchware does not use the toolbar from the theme. So you have to change toolbar color explicitly, programmatically. So in that set theme block, I'm changing toolbar color programmatically. So I will call it after initialization also. So in short, I'm calling it twice. Once before calling the super method and second after initializing the app. Here is what happens if you call it only after initialization.